Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a shoe stretcher device, and we are going to give this thing a try on one of my shoes. So let's get it out here, and I'll show you guys what it all entails. So here is the device. So the concept is you stick it in the shoe, and then as you rotate this, I believe, see it is stretching the width of it there. See, so you can do that, and then I think this one here will stretch the length of it. Yep, there we go. Oh, let's see, it's pushing out the heel as we turn that one. So that's our ability there. So I have a shoe, and we will stick it in my shoe here. So this is a shoe, and I'll show you just kind of how it works. So you stick it in the shoe, and then you rotate this. And I have a stretchy shoe, this one in here. I'm just showing it for example, but you can see it's pushing out the sides there, and so you would push it there, push it here, make it as big as you like, leave it alone, or you can do other stuff with it to make it better. Here's some other paddings and cushions and stuff like that to make it work as well. Let's see what's in this bag, if it has anything here. Yeah, just a bag to put it all in, I guess. So it's pretty cool. So you basically will just put it in there. Oh, here's the instructions. So you can see, it's good for sneakers. That's what it has here, a bunch of different sneakers and stuff. I have it just on some stretchy shoes right here, or a boot stretcher, you get some for boots. And yeah, it just says leave it for 24 to 48 hours, and then you can do it again and tighten it up more if you need it. So kind of cool. So if your feet have grown or you got a pair of shoes that don't quite fit, you can use this, and that'll give you some new ability to fit in your shoes. Very cool.